In this video, we will share the workarounds for the Xbox Party Error Code 0x8923106C, which can disturb you while joining or creating an Xbox party. Based on information shared by the users when they try to join a party, it shows connecting for around 30 seconds and later shows this error which says, "Something went wrong with your party. Try again later. Error code 0x8923106C. As per our research, this error may mean that for some reason, the connection between your Xbox device and other party members is failing, and this can happen because of various different reasons. So to fix the issue, we have to try different workarounds to fix any issues that may lead to such problems. Firstly, consider performing a full power cycle on your device and network. Begin by shutting down your Xbox console and disconnecting it from the power source. The same goes for your modem or router. Let these devices take a breather for about 7 to 8 minutes. Following this hiatus, restart your modem or router, then your Xbox console. Ensure your console is properly connected to the internet and see if the error still persists. If the power cycle doesn't solve the issue, fear not. Simply check your Xbox console's NAT type settings. Press the Xbox button on your controller, navigate to Profile and System, then Settings. Under General, proceed to Network Settings. Here, consider changing your NAT type settings. This switch may just be the key to resolving your issue. Still no luck? Don't throw in the towel just yet. Perhaps your Xbox console requires an update. Press the Xbox button on your controller, go to Profile and System, then Settings. Choose System, and then Updates. If an update is available, you'll see the message, Update Available. Select this to begin your update. If the error is still stubbornly sticking around, it might be worth trying a different internet connection. If you don't have access to an alternate Wi-Fi connection, a mobile hotspot can serve as a handy substitute. If this resolves the issue, it could be wise to report the issue to your internet provider. In summary, the Xbox Party Error Code 0x8923106C can be addressed through a few simple steps. Perform a full power cycle on your device and network. Check your Xbox console's NAT type settings. Ensure your Xbox is updated, and consider connecting over a different internet connection. With these steps in your gaming arsenal, you'll be back to battling bosses and exploring virtual realms in no time. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.